This is at 3,380 feet elevation. Broken end off right here. Not a small rock. It would have taken 8 men to pick that high up to place it there. It's not worth a piece of equipment or any sign of an old road here anyway. That smooth edge underneath there tells me it didn't come from this rugged edge out here. See that? Under there? I don't know. See the rugged edge underneath there, the ragged edge? And then the rock itself is slick. That looks almost like it's cut on the back side there. A lot of strange things in these mountains. This whole mountainside here. Rock everywhere. Rock slabs and outcroppings. I can tell what's up in there. But you gotta get out and look. I mean, you can't find this from behind the desk or watching YouTube. You gotta get out and look for this stuff. It's not in the city parks. At least not around here anyway. It's not to say you can't find them out there, because you can. I'm just saying that when you get in the right places, you know what you feel.